Dr. Weber. My name is Robert Yslas. I've been with San Diego State for over 25 years now. And I probably was at the tail end when we had steps. I work in the Enrollment Services Department and I'm an admissions specialist. Like I said, I've been around here when we had steps and I truly miss them. I wish we had them back. So what does this bill mean to the rest of the state employees who have never seen steps before?
Well, I think first of all, it says to them that they'll be valued, that the work that they do and the evaluations that are done annually of their work will mean something, that it will not just be an evaluation that's done that doesn't lead to any kind of increase in position or any more resources being brought to them. I worked here when there were steps, and then I remember when they took them away. And I know how humiliating it was to be in a position where no matter how hard you work, there was no movement for you that was significant. And that they bring in people to work your job, and you would basically make less than they would make after, and you've been here 20 years. So this will give some dignity, I think, to those who work here. It'll give you the same kind of recognition that we give to all of our employees in the state, that these evaluations that are done annually actually translate into moving up the ladder of your career and your profession. We need to do that for the state universities, as we've done for every other state employee in California. So I'm honored to be a part of it because I've been the victim of this system when I worked here for many years, and all of a sudden it was taken away, and I found myself supervising individuals making much more money than I did and with a lot less experience.
And I definitely see that as well. We have a lot of state employees who are in the same situation of salary inversion. So we want to thank you for being a champion of this bill, for introducing this bill, getting it through the Senate now, and to the governor's desk.
Well, we look forward to it. We're going to work very hard to make it happen because it's extremely important. And our employees at the universities are really some of our finest. They work very hard. They care not only about the job that they do and the work that is being done, but they care about the students and the faculty and what these institutions mean to the state of California. And they need to be valued like everyone else.
Absolutely. Dr. Weber,
thank you
so much.
Thank you.